We are now going to enter sales taxes and tax codes, and that's number 7 in your instruction sheet that we are working through. And so if I show you right here on my screen, that's number 7 right there. I want you to go to Setup, Settings. I want you to go to Company. I want you to select Sales Taxes and go up to Taxes, and so this will bring you to this window. Our tax is GST. Tax ID included on forms, we are not given one, so we are not going to enter one. Exempt from tax, we are not exempt from tax. Is this tax taxable? No, it's not taxable, so the default is correct there. Track, we want to now enter an account to track tax paid on expenses. And so the account that we want to use is 2670. I want you to click on the window, look for 2670. GST paid on purchases. It's a liability, as you know, the GST goes to the government. 2670. That's why it's put in a liability account. Select. Then account to track tax charged on revenues. I want you to go to the window and I want you to select 2650. It is again a liability account, 2650, GST charged on services. Select. Report on taxes, yes. So the no, the default no is not correct, so just click over the no. It's a toggle and it will turn into a yes. So we do want to report on taxes. And then I want you to go to tax codes, so we don't close out of this window altogether. So navigate to tax codes in your navigation pane and turn over the page. We're now on the following page here, tax codes. Go back into Sage. Now I want you to leave that first row free. So this first row here, just leave it free. You can even tab through it to the next row, and in the next row I want you to click on the window. Anytime that you have this window, click on it to select, because if you try to type in without navigating through that window, then it will not really save that whatever you type in. So click in there. Now the tax we want, I want you to even click that window too, is a GST. So we want a GST tax, so select it. And this tax here is taxable. You see here it says taxable. So it is taxable at a rate of 5%. It's not included and is refundable. So taxable, the rate is 5. And then tab, included in price, no, the tax is not included in price, and it is refundable. So is it refundable? The default is no. We want to say yes. Okay, and then say okay. And then I want you to go in there and I want you to put the code as G. The code for that tax we've just put in is G. And then once we say G, it brings up all that information. It's a GST tax. It's taxable at 5%. Now, I want you to tab through and go to the next row. I want you to click into the mirror because we've got two codes. Remember, G and GP, so we want to put the other one now. Again, click on that mirror, select the GST, and then it is taxable again at a rate of 5%. This is not included in the price and it is refundable. And say okay. When we come up to this window here, type GP and then it populates the rest for you. And that's it. Say okay. And so now we have put in our tax codes. If you want to double check, go back, Setup, Settings, go Company, Sales Tax, Taxes. Those are our taxes, is a GST. Our tax codes are G and GP. Okay, very good. I want you to go over to step 8 and we'll cover that in the next video.